Unlock the secret to property management. It's mostly chaos control, not cash collection. Forget those perfect pictures online. My defining moment? A tenant calling convinced their apartment was haunted because the heating system went rogue, blasting furnace-level heat in mid-August. Picture this. I arrive sweating, not from the heat, but pure stress. The air is thick, stifling. The tenants genuinely freaked. Turns out it wasn't ghosts, just ancient wiring deciding to throw a final, fiery tantrum. Getting it fixed wasn't simple. It meant soothing the tenant, finding an HVAC tech willing to tackle ancient tech on short notice, and somehow making the numbers work without blowing the entire month's profit. It felt like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. That easy money everyone talks about? It looked a lot like late nights and nail-biting moments. But here's the flip side. Figuring that mess out was empowering. I learned the magic of preventative maintenance checklists, seriously game changer, and discovered an amazing local forum where landlords share emergency contacts. Now, those frantic calls don't paralyze me. They're just challenges, sharpening my skills. Real estate investing isn't just about buying property, it's about building resourcefulness. Your biggest asset isn't the building, it's your ability to handle absolutely anything thrown your way.